Welcome to Trade Hunt Management. In this video, we will discuss what is the travel rule in crypto assets.
We at Trade Hunt Management provide professional training for CDCS, CSDG, CITF, ACAMS and CGSS examinations. For further details, you can contact us.
The travel rule is an international AML-CFT requirement from the FATF, Financial Action Task Force, that applies to virtual asset service providers, or VASPs, such as crypto exchanges, wallet providers, crypto payment companies, OTC desks, and custodial service providers.
It requires VASPs to collect, verify, and transmit certain information about the originator and beneficiary whenever a crypto transaction moves from one VASP to another. Purpose: to prevent money laundering, terrorist financing, anonymous funding, movement of stolen crypto. The rule makes crypto transactions traceable, similar to how banks share customer information during SWIFT transfers.
What the FATF says about the travel rule. The FATF Travel Rule appears under Recommendation 16, extended to virtual assets, VAs, and VASPs. FATF requirements. A. Mandatory information to be collected and shared when transferring virtual assets. Example, Bitcoin, USDT, ETH, above the threshold of US dollars, Euro, 1000. Originator, sender information. Name, account number or wallet address, physical address or national ID or customer ID, or date and place of birth. Beneficiary, receiver information. Name, account number or wallet address. This information must travel along with the transaction to the receiving VASP. B. Verification requirement. The sending VASP must verify the sender's information before executing the transfer. The receiving VASP must verify the beneficiary information before releasing the funds to the user. C. Screening obligations. Both VASPs must perform sanctions screening, PEP checks, risk assessment, monitoring for suspicious transactions.
D. Application for transactions under USD 1,000 euros. Even below the threshold, FATF requires record keeping, risk-based monitoring, red flag detection, but sharing customer information is not mandatory below the threshold. E. VASP to unhosted wallet transactions. FATF says VASPs must obtain sender information, assess the risk of the unhosted wallet, use enhanced monitoring if needed, but do not need to send information to the unhosted wallet, since it has no regulated owner. Why travel rule is important? It removes anonymity in crypto transfers and helps law enforcement, AML offices, compliance teams, regulators trace the movement of funds linked to terrorist financing, hacks, example, Lazarus Group, ransomware, fraud and scams, darknet markets. Like, share and subscribe to Trade Hunt Management for more trade finance, compliance, blockchain-related contents. See you in our next video, and until then, bye for now.